this is Fiona from Ether. Welcome to Danyang Kaixin Alloy Materials Company. Our company has found almost 20 years.
It's a professional enterprise specialized in independent production, research and development of high-performance alloy materials. First, we are going to visit our office. Our company has more than 150 employees, including more than 20 research and development personnel and more than 25 management personnel. We can notice here are some of our certificates. More than 30 invitation and utility model patents are existing for reference. Kaixin covers an area of 13,500 square meters with a registered capital of 20 million yuan. We mainly produce precision alloy, high-temperature alloy, nickel-based special welding wire, corrosion-resistant alloy, and so on. Now I'm going to show you our workshop and warehouse. First, let's visit our strip polishing workshop, and these are our raw materials. We can see here is our vacuum induction furnace. Next, let's visit electric slump remelting furnace. On my left side, this is our continuous hygiene protect annealing furnace. Let's take a closer look at them. On another side, it's ammonia decomposition furnace. Next, we are going to visit our cold rolling mill. By now, I will show you the process of polishing the bar. Behind of me, this is our weld drawing equipment. Kaixin also have a special laboratory testing area. Within 3 years, our company will gradually transfer from civilian to military, from mass products to science and technology products. On my left side, this is our tension tester. Behind of me, this is impact tester. At the end, let's visit Kaixin Automotive Warehouse.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.